Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the $1 Million Challenge. So in today's video, I just have a quick announcement to tell you guys. I have an ebook. I officially created an ebook that I put out about a month ago. If you watch my previous video, you can see that I haven't been able to be on YouTube, and I talk about why I haven't been able to do that in the previous video, so you can go check that out. But in today's video, we are going to talk about my Turo ebook. I basically talked about the communication system that I use for my Turo business, because I am a 5-star host on Turo, plus I'm an all-star host. What does that mean? Basically, my wonderful Turo customer and guest, they have put their opinions out there and they like my services. Especially, they've been complimenting me on the communication that I have with them on the Turo platform. Essentially, that made me create an ebook, which is a plug and play system of how I communicate with my Turo guests, and the software that I use. Everything will be in the links below. So with that out of the way, I want to point out some of the things that I've done that basically put me out there, the top people in my city for Turo. One of the things that I did was to make sure I put my customer first. Every single Turo guest that booked one of my vehicles, after I check them in, I do all the process, I take the time to let them know that, hey, you are my #1 priority, period. If it's in the middle of the night at 2 a.m. and you have an issue with tire, you can call me. I'll be there to try to resolve it as much as possible. Any single time that there's an issue, you can call me and I'll be there. I make sure to take the time to tell my Turo guests that they are my #1 priority, period. The next thing that I would say is, why not make your customers, the people that are actually booking your service, using your business, actually putting food on your table, why not make them priority? If you're gonna do Turo, it's a business that is people to people. You have to communicate with people. You have to learn how to communicate with people. And I've been able to basically put that into practice. Why not make your customers your #1 priority? That is what I've done. And if you want that same result, you should buy the ebook that I have. It's not too expensive, it's $13. A couple of people have bought it already. I'm sure they have good experience with it. I know you are going to as well. So as part of the ebook, what you get is you get a lifetime update. So if I ever update it, you will get a copy delivered to your email after you purchase. The second thing that you also get is 15-minute Zoom call with me, where I can help you set up the first basic communication setup, walk you through the process. And the other thing that is also included is the top-notch customer service that I offer. So if you have issue, you can always try to reach out to me. We'll get it resolved, we'll get it going. So let's talk about why I value my customers so much. One of the big reasons is that I have been praying for opportunity like this for a long time. I've been praying for the opportunity to be able to have some sort of business whereby I can create value for the world, and in return, I'm going to get rewarded for that. So this is my opportunity to be able to show the world that I can create valuable goods and services that can be positive for the world, and the world will benefit from it. And as a result of that, it's just a no-brainer that I will get rewarded for all my efforts. So yeah, that is pretty much it with this announcement. I just wanted to put it out there really quickly that I have a Turo course. If you want to go check it out, first thing that you need to do is go and check out my Turo listing. I have 3 cars on Turo. Go look at every single one of them. Look at the comments, look at the reviews on every single one of the cars. If you have any questions before you purchase the course, hit me up on Instagram, is @TradeLikeBada. I'm always available. The other thing you can also do, you can check out my other Instagram, which is Kaseem Bada, KASEEM _BADA. If you have any question before you purchase the course, you can hit me up. That is not a problem. But I think this program is something that would work really well for you if you are a Turo host and you're looking to take your business to the next level. This program is the program for you. I might be getting my words twisted up on everything. I'm just new right now to everything that I have going on here. I have a new setup. I'm getting used to everything, so please bear with me. Check out what I do here on YouTube. Check out my 2 channels. I have a Beast channel, and I also have this financial channel where I talk about my finance content. So if you're interested in that, you can check that out as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I don't think I have anything that I want to add to this video. Again, if you have any questions, put it in the comment below. If you need any help and you want to reach out to me before you purchase a course, the description will be fine. If you want something more private, hit me up on Instagram at @TradeLikeBada. Check the description box below for all my contact info. With that being said, thank you very much for watching. I hope you take the time to check out what I have to offer with the ebook, and you also go and check out my listing to see how legit I am. Everybody say I am. Until next time, see you later. Love you all. Bye. Peace.